Hi guys. Today I will show you how to make glue tack this soft. It's so soft you have to feel it here. Feel it. Did it feel good? Wow. First it was this hard. Feel it. Oh my god, the camera fell. Yeah, so today we have a smaller type. So the ingredients that we will use, just 3 simple ingredients. Glue tack, of course. Soap. And water. Oh, be careful. Yeah. Okay, now to start, stretch this hard thing out 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 times. Okay, we've done it. Now you make a flat surface like that. And then you squeeze some soap. 2 or 3. I'm squeezing 1, 2, 3. The more you squeeze, the better it gets. So yeah. This might get a little messy while you're mixing it. Whoa, 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 whoa! This is so good. Ew, 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 ew. Oh. So you might want to wash your hands afterwards because ew. Cut. Time to wash our hands. Whoa, 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 whoa. There. Get this out. There. Let me dry my hands. Okay. Okay, so it feels good already, but not good yet. So here's the water. You just dump your finger in really quick. And then you just 3 dumps. 1, 2, 3. And then you just keep stretching. And now it is nice and good. Woo! I mixed it up together. Bye.